So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this makeup look. I haven't posted in a week. I think it's been about a week. But with the holidays and everything, I've been super busy seeing family and stuff like that. So I haven't gotten around to being able to film a video. But if you guys would like to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. So to start off today's look, I already did my foundation and now I'm just going in and doing my brows. And to fill them in today, I'm actually using an eyeshadow, a dark brown eyeshadow, because I lost my Anastasia brow duo. And this just works. Sometimes you just gotta make do with what you got. Then I'm just gonna go in and touch them up a little bit, make them a little bit darker. And then I'm using this Maybelline Brow Precise. It's almost like a gel, but it's colored. And it really just locks in your eyebrows. Like, it keeps the hairs in place. It also makes them a little bit darker, and it helps the color of your brows, like the shadow or whatever brow product you're using. It helps it stay. Then for today's eye look, I'm going to be using the Carli Bybel palette. So I'm taking a Morphe blending brush, and I'm just taking that brown shade, and I'm applying that in my crease. I'm just going to go back and forth with that color a couple times and just focus on blending. So I wasn't exactly sure what I was going with this look or what I was going for, but it ended up being really pretty and just brown and smoky with some gold. And here I'm just using my beauty blender and some translucent powder instead of tape. It's just a trick that helps to clean up any of the excess eyeshadow. Then I'm taking the dark brown shade from her palette, and I'm applying that on the outer V of my eye, and then also bring it into my crease. Then I'm applying the gold shade in her palette. I'm applying it on my eye, well, my eyelid. And I'm just using my finger. Then I'm going to go in with a flat concealer brush and apply just a little bit more, just to really pack it on there. And I'm just using that same Morphe brush I used earlier just to blend the gold and the brown together so it doesn't look so harsh. This look really isn't hard. It's just about blending and making it all look smooth and seamless. And it's just 3 shades. Then I'm applying eyeliner, and it's the same one I've been using. I believe it's the Maybelline. I think it's a Maybelline, either Maybelline or L'Oreal. Been loving this eyeliner though. It stays on all day. It doesn't fade. It stays really, really black. Then I'm going to be applying mascara, and it's the Estee Lauder. All products used and mentioned, I will definitely leave in the description box as usual. And then drinking some water. It's feeling pretty hot. And a little dehydrated. So now I'm going in with that flat concealer brush like I told you guys earlier, and just going over the gold. And to help the color really stand out, I did put some water on it before I applied it. Then I'm going back in with my Morphe brush that I used earlier, and I'm just going over the light brown shade a little bit more, and then applying it under my eyes. Then putting bottom mascara. Then for my waterline, I'm using a nude eye pencil. I've been doing this a lot lately. I freaking love it. I just feel like it makes your eyes look more open, and just you look more awake, and it really brings most looks together. And right now I'm just getting my falsies, and then I'm going to apply some lash glue. So while that's drying, I'm just going to go in and do my lips. I'm using the Colourpop BFF lip liner. I'm sure if you've watched my last few videos, I've been using this lip liner a lot. I just think it's very pretty. It's very neutral. You could just put it on and put really any lip color on top of it, and it just works. Now I'm applying my lashes. Then for lipstick, I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors liquid lip, and I believe the shade is in Sand. It's just like a very, very, very nude, almost, it's like a tan like lip color. I just wanted the lips to be really nude, kind of pale, just because the eyes are dark. Then for bronzer, I'm using my Tarte Princess Avenue. And you always want to blend it down your neck. I can't stress that enough. I feel like that's always a tip or something I say when it comes to doing your makeup. You really always want to make sure everything is very blended. And then I'm taking whatever excess powder I had on my beauty blender and just tapped it all over my face to make sure everything is set. Then for highlight, I'm using the gold highlighting shade from Carli's palette. I always highlight tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, the inner corners of my eyes, below my brows, my cupid's bow. And then I don't always highlight my cheekbones, but I do today. And that is it for the makeup look. Super simple. I feel like most of the makeup looks I do are pretty simple. They're not really hard to do. It just consists of a few eyeshadows here and there. The biggest thing, like I said, is just blending. And now I'm just going to do my hair really quick. And I'm just putting it in like a sleek, low ponytail. And then brushing away the flyaways, those crazy little hairs that are just everywhere. Make sure everything is smooth. And that is it. Alright guys, so that is it for this video and this look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it as usual, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And before I go, I do want to go over one little thing. I know that the intro and the outro, when I talk, it kind of like goes up and down. I noticed that, and people have been telling me as well. And it's just, I film with my I can't talk. Okay. I film with my phone, so I don't know what's going on with like the speaker thing, but I will be getting a microphone and all that, like this whole like setup thing. So hopefully that'll get better. So just bear with me here with the sound going in and out. I'm sure it's super annoying, but no worries. I will get that fixed. I just wanted to go over that because I'm very aware that that is happening. So thanks to those who pointed it out. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I really hope that you did enjoy it, and until next time, I will see you guys later. This big old cardigan. Look at this thing. Look how huge this is.